What's the meaning of curie? Curie. Curie.
Curie. Curie. Curie is a unit of measurement used to quantify the amount of radioactivity in a substance. Specifically, it measures the activity of 1 gram of radium-226, which is a naturally occurring radioactive element. 1 curie is equal to 37 billion disintegrations per second, or 3.7 times 10 to the power of 10 becquerels. The curie was named after Marie Curie, a pioneering physicist and chemist who was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize and whose work was instrumental in the discovery of various radioactive elements.